All right, so we are on our way to Home Depot. We had a Boy Scout camp out planned for today, but it has rained crazy for the last 48 hours, and so we're gonna work in the garage and build a porch swing instead. Superman's got nothing on me. I'm only one call.
So, like here, take a look. If you take a real close look, you can see that's like real bent down there. So this one's not a good board. It is? That's that bad one?
No, don't eat it. It won't hurt you, but don't eat it. All right, for everyone who watches this, I'm sure that it'll become obvious to the world that I'm not a real carpenter. I had a little bit of junior high school shop, and I've got some plans from the internet, and I got a brother-in-law, Dave, who's a very accomplished carpenter, and from time to time he's giving me advice on projects and stuff. So this is just the boys and I's best attempts. We're trying to make something nice for Mama. Now we need to do 54 divided by 2. We're working on math with fractions here.
It's 27.
All right, so we need to cut 2 boards.
27 inches.
2 boards, or 3 boards, 27 inches.
Okay.
And here, on the outside, see this line? Don't put your hand on that outside. Notice there's not a kid to be found when it comes time to sand. It's because everybody hates sanding. Half of my help totally bails on me when it's time to prime and paint. And we have a TCU purple swing. So tell me what you think about the purple swing.
It's an amazing gift of love made with the hands of my husband and children for my butt.